Tay, tingin ako ng one day. Wala akong balik.
I don't know why.
Harap ka rito, ha?
You said goodbye. Just let me
Monday,
go.
Monday, man.
You didn't go forever my life. You make me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees. That's what you want me to. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on the bar.
Pasensya na, medyo lasing na nag-re-record.
Lovers again. Just one more chance. Another dance. And let me feel.
This is dedicated to Tonet, my only love, Tonet. Later on, you're gonna watch this in a YouTube video.
Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on the boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain. And we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay. I'll make a wild and full of mine in love together. Oh, I will show.
Mga ano ka eh?
How great I know.
Wala nga eh, wala yung ano. May sasakyan, wala yung susi. Wala tayong sasakyan. Matay man. Oo, bukas na lang.
Come again, you will release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far.
Maybe you want to dedicate this song to one of your loved ones. You don't want to...
Come again.
Parang, one of your loved ones, parang ano yun. Samahan mo sa buhay, kako. Kate Tonet, my love.
Thank you.